If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you create text in Photoshop using either the horizontal type tool or vertical type tool, Photoshop creates the text within a vector-based type layer, which appears in the Layers panel. A common task in Photoshop is rasterizing the text in a type layer, which converts the vector-based data in the type layer into pixel-based or raster data. You must often rasterize text and other vector data in Photoshop before submitting the artwork to professional printers. However, note that after you rasterize a type layer in Photoshop, you can no longer edit its content using either the horizontal type tool or vertical type tool, as they are vector-based editing tools. Therefore, you should save an editable copy of the Photoshop document before rasterizing its layers in case you need to return to edit the text in the type layer. To rasterize a type layer in Photoshop, select the Type Layer or Type Layers to Rasterize in the Layers panel. Then select Layer, Rasterize, Type from the menu bar to immediately rasterize the selected type layers. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.